before I speak about my argument, from the first I have a rebuttal to the first opening of positive things. Actually, it is for opening and closing election. They always say that aspiration power is always beside from people. They always say like that, but they don't prove us. They don't prove us that from where the people, we know that the people have a trust, but they don't prove us about that, ladies and gentlemen. But they always say that democracy is all about people, ladies and gentlemen. And then I wanna make a line from the positive negative themes that even if the people still have freely to show their aspiration, they still have a law. They still have a law in this country, ladies and gentlemen. And then me agree with the negative thing that the people of the Indonesia still have a different level of education, and ladies and gentlemen. And then of course we know that education, the democracy, the goodness is the citizen have the equality, and then they still have a participation, I mean in election, and then they can join the regulation of the government, and then they can monitor the economy. Yes, that is just the small of the goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me to talk to my argument. Yes.
If you say they don't have they have a different level of education, don't you want make them have a same level education?
Me, I think it's the job of the government, and then I will continue my argument. Okay, the democracy is more harm, have more harm than the goodness, ladies and gentlemen. And then from the first context, democracy more emphasize the quality more than, the quantity more than equality. No thanks. I give you the example. The party have much a voice for the party itself will win the chair in the government, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, it's not false because it is the democracy. So even if the party have a hold of the voice of the Indonesia, of course, they will chairs. And then the second, the government will lead by people which is not competent, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because in democratic system, every people can freely express their action, take a part of government which is not every people compatible in this area. Yes, that is the harm thing about the government. Yes.
What is your new essence in exchange of democracy while you think it gives more harm than good?
Yes, like I said before, that's just the two of my three arguments. From the first, democracy more emphasize the quantity than quality because it's just the voice of the party. And the second, the government will lead by people which is not competent. And the third, the imbalance of the economy from people. The difference of the economy of the people can make the group which is have more money can buy the minority. Yes, the majority can buy the minority that which is has a different level of economy, and then it can make yes.
If you want to ban the right to express of people, how about people like LGBTI that they want to express their feeling and their way of life? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I said like that. LGBTI in this country is really under pressure, ladies and gentlemen. So if we talk about LGBTI, if they sound their LGBTI, they will get the social rejection. So I think that the democracy is dangerous, more harmful than a good. So of course LGBTI should not shown in this country, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you.
If you say that government will be led
by uncomponent people, uncomponent citizens. So, on how you can prove us that the government will not manipulate economy at all behind the citizen? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, from the first we can see from the record of his education. I mean, we can see the Medal of Honor, or we can see from the family, we can see from the environment, or etc. And which is it can show their personality, but their personality, yes, like that. And then the fourth, the democracy can press the minority.
Sorry, question.
Yes.
Don't you think if it's not democratic, it will bring harm for citizens? So if the citizen itself is getting harmed, how the country is going better? Thank you.
Of course, every government, every country have a obligation to protect their citizen. And then when citizen, like I said before, the citizen still have action, but we can make a wall, we should limit the citizen to aspirate their thing, let's say, because it will more dangerous, more harm if we not give limit to them. And then I will continue. The majority will pressure the minority, because, like I said before, the people, the group which is have a more voice to aspirate to anything, they can press the minority. So I think that the democratic system is bringing more harm than good. Thank you.